Welcome back everyone. We were learning about the fun features of list. Now here is a very cool feature which is very important and can be very useful. So take a look at the program in your screen. It is very easy to understand the working of this program if you are very clear with conditional statements and list. So I'll tell you what this does. When I was teaching you conditional statements and iteration statements, I told you that there are different ways in which we could use them. So this is a very different way in which we can use conditional statements. So what this does is that we have a list here. It has three names in it: Larry, Curly and Moe. So what this program does is that it will check if Curly is part of the list. It will check if Curly is part of the list. So to do that, we use the if and in keyword. It is just like when we write a sentence, if Curly in list. That means if Curly is in list, print, yay, Curly is in the list. We can use the in keyword along with our if keyword to write conditional statements in list. So this is a very fun feature. You can try this out. We can do the same with numbers. Instead of a string list, we can have a list of numbers. If 2 in list, yay, 2 is in the list. Okay, let's run this. And we get the output, yay, 2 is in the list. So in this case, we made a list of 3 numbers. And if 2 is part of that list, it will print, yay, 2 is in the list. So this is how we can use conditional statements in list. So that is a very fun feature about list, and this can come very handy at times. So basically what this is that if the element is part of the list, then the condition body will be executed. In this case, it will print out yay, 2 is in the list. So that is all about this lecture. I'll see you in the next lecture where we talk more about list. Thank you and have a wonderful day.